Bonjour, you're watching AI News with Claude Dijon. NVIDIA just launched something that might kill your desktop. Or maybe it's just trying to sell you the hype. It's called DGX Spark, a pocket-sized supercomputer that promises cloud power without the cloud bill. Cool idea, unless you're OpenAI. This little box runs NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell chip, half CPU, half GPU, all marketing. They say it's 5 times faster than PCIe and small enough to fit in your backpack. Finally, a supercomputer you can take to Starbucks. But here's the catch. No upgrades, no mods, and you'll need to stay in the NVIDIA ecosystem. So yeah, it's freedom, as long as you don't try to leave. So what is DGX Spark really? A revolutionary tool for small teams, or just NVIDIA cashing in on the AI gold rush? Either way, it's a glimpse into our future. Compact, powerful, and definitely not cheap. Because at $3,999, the only thing it doesn't compute is your savings.